Welcome back to school.
Hi, welcome to Eagle International School for academic year 2026-2027. This is a great time and today is our first day. I wish everything will be fun. This morning we have a lot of play area and in the afternoon we'll be introduced to the class. So may God bless all our children and bring us joys, bring us a lot of good school year together for this academic years. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, and welcome back to school year 2026-2027. We are pleased to welcome all of our students this year, and we would like to encourage everyone to do their best. We know that it's going to be, again, a challenging year, but we'll have fun, and let's just enjoy.
ជំរាបសួរដល់សិស្ស EIS ទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំជាអាណាព្យាបាលម្នាក់ហើយក៏ជាសមាជិកនៃគណៈគ្រប់គ្រងនៃសាលា EIS ម្នាក់ក៏សូមជូនពរទៅដល់បងប្អូនដែលជាសិស្សនៅសាលា Eagle ទាំងអស់ជូនពរឲ្យរៀនប៉ាកែរៀនទាំងសប្បាយរីករាយហើយសម្រាប់ឆ្នាំថ្មីនេះជូនពរឲ្យរៀនប៉ាកែគ្រប់គ្នាទាំងអស់បាទសូមអរគុណច្រើន